Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be showing you guys a house tour, right Dylan?
Yes, and plus, guys, watch our last video.
Yeah, watch our last video before you watch this video, or maybe watch this video first.
Wait, click here. This is where the video is. Not really click. Don't really click there. You look at the name of the. It's gonna say the name.
Maybe.
Name.
I'll try to do that.
No, it is.
Okay guys, are you guys ready for the house tour? Let's do it!
There's two houses in one house.
Two houses in one house?
Yes. Look, one house in one house.
One house in one house. You want to show them Grandma's house first?
Yes. Let me show them our house.
Here's the kitchen.
Ok, que você tá aprontando?
Ela está fazendo vídeo. This is the kitchen. Cozinha. Kitchen.
This is the bathroom.
Vai suave.
That's for Rocky to pee.
And this is the living room.
Where we live. The living.
Living room. Now we're going upstairs. No, wait. You guys didn't see the garage.
Yes, we. The garage doesn't have to be shown. No one wants to see a garage. See, that's the garage. Come on.
But garages can be different than garage.
Those are my Beanie Boos.
And look at the staircase. This is upstairs. This is one of the bedrooms.
Oh, Rocky!
That's one.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
That's the
She's
bathroom.
taking a bath.
Somebody's taking a bath.
My mom is taking a bath.
This is another bathroom.
This is a bedroom, not a bathroom.
And look, that's where we eat our food.
Come on, we need to show them over there. Hey, Rock.
That's one house.
No, we still didn't show them the second kitchen.
What's the kitchen?
You're crazy, Dylan. There's a
That's the
second
outside.
kitchen.
That's not
It's the second kitchen. Right here, the second kitchen. Okay.
Now we go up. I already showed you.
No,
That's
but...
where-
Oh my god, I almost fell.
I don't know. You almost really have the time.
Here's when we have steakhouse and stuff, steak. When we eat
Stakeouts. Nah.
There's our cousin's house that we're gonna show you right now.
Oh, and look.
That's where the cat poops, okay?
That's the
Katarina!
And the guys, who would you think, Rocky or Catalina? Comment down below who would win in a battle.
Oh, who would win in a battle?
Yes.
Katarina!
Her name is actually Cat. Cat. You think Catherine? That's Catherine.
Katarina!
That's Catherine. Catalina. Catherine Tintin.
Você vai passar aqui, depois eu passo lá, então.
Oh, Katarina.
That's Catherine. This Look at the bathroom. That's a bathroom. Bathroom stairs.
A madrinha vai deitar aqui embaixo agora, tá, meu amor?
Tá,
A madrinha vai dar uma passadinha de cor na casa sujinha, tá?
That.
tá.
Another room.
That's the office. That's a giant
Office. A living room. The second living room where we live again.
Office. Second office. Actually, there were 3 offices with my dad.
Don't be quiet. Kato is sleeping.
This is one.
Is the kitty cat down here? She's probably in here. Bree? No, Bree knows Daddy. No cats. The cats are hiding.
Cats are hiding. Every time we go, next time we go.
Don't open the door.
This is a bedroom and an office, but the big guys. And this is another bath. This is the fourth bath. And this is also another room.
That's Kato and Daddy's room.
Show it to you. Someone's in there.
Vou abrir um pouco aqui, tá?
Catarina! Catarina!
Catarina.
Okay. Where's Rocky?
That's down below. You can see that.
Rocky's food. Rocky! Rocky's probably upstairs. Bye guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you guys can never miss another video. Guess what? The next video, since my birthday is in 3 days, in the last video we were celebrating my birthday because my grandma from the United States wanted to celebrate my birthday. So my birthday's in 3 days. So the next video will be probably about my birthday. So in 3 days, wish me a happy birthday. Bye. I'm turning 12. Okay? Bye.